Let's make a heart chain. You can use this chain to decorate your wedding venue. We will be using textured card in a few different shades of blue. You could choose other types of card or paper for this project. Fold each card in half. You could use a larger card if you want the hearts to be bigger. We will cut a strip of card 2 centimeters wide. Repeat with the rest of the cards, cutting a few strips of cards in different shades of blue. What we need to do now is to shape each of these strips into a heart. Bring the ends of the strip together, forming a heart. Here is the first heart. Secure the ends of the strip using glue. You could use a peg or a clip to hold the heart, letting the glue dry. Form the rest of the strips into hearts. You could use a pen to shape the top of the hearts rather than your hands. You will need to apply glue as before and let the glue dry. We will later glue these hearts together. Make as many hearts as you wish. In this video, we are making only a short segment of heart chain, but you could make much longer chain, using many more paper hearts. Once the glue dries, you can remove the pegs. Adjust the hearts as needed. Glue the hearts together. You can use clips or pegs to hold the hearts together, letting the glue dry. Once the glue dries, you can remove the pegs, and the heart chain is ready. You could tie ribbon to each end of the chain, or use double-sided tape to attach the chain anywhere you want.